Welcome to my channel. This is Fairboy TZ. Karibu katika channel yangu. Hii ni Yougov, Living Consumer Intelligence, Explore Living Data, Run a Survey, Discover our solution, On Demand across or access to the overgrowing sources of consumers insight, always on audience research to over 20 million panel members in 55 markets. We call it Living Data Explore, Plan, Yougov Living Data, Post Ad, Activate, Track, Explore, Plan. Unlock the most complete views of your audience with over a million profit. Activate, Supercharge, Track. Okay, hii ni website nyingine ya kuweza kufanya survey na kuweza kupata pesa kupitia simu yako ya mkononi. Be able to tap into Yougov suite of product allowed. Okay, read our last thinking. Kwa katika website hii nitakuonyesha namna ya kuweza kufanya kazi katika website hii na namna ya kuweza kupata pesa katika website hii. Okay, hii ni Yougov. Uta-click sehemu hii ya run a survey. How would you like to run your survey? I need help in decided. Build my own survey now. Work with the Yougov researchers. Get in touch. Build yourself with the Yougov survey platform. Represent and targeted samples. Can't contain political or sensitive question. Can't be published or quoted in the media. Available in GB in US. Available globally. Kwa hiyo website hii itakufanya wewe uweze kutengeneza survey yako. Kwa kama unataka kuconduct survey, unaweza ukatengeneza survey yako kupitia website hii. Uta-click sehemu hii hapa, start now. Okay. Our users cookies, you can accept this. Then your government sign up for our panel powered survey builder. Create a survey to reach general population or niche audience to understand exactly what your idea target audience thinks. Kwa hiyo hapa, kabla hujaweza conduct survey, lazima uweze kucreate kwanza account katika website hii. Ili uweze kutengeneza free account, basi utajaza hapa business email address, then select your country, enter your password, then click get started. Okay, kwa hiyo this is very simple. You can enter your email here. For instance, my email is this one. Then select your country. Tanzania. I'm in Tanzania. Where is it? This one. Then I can create my password. Let's say best 2023. Then click get started. 13 characters, letters, numbers, no. Okay, you can increase this. Symbols, let's say 2304. Then this one. Then click get started. What's wrong? 13 characters. How much? Wow. Okay, then click get started. As you see here, enter confirmation code. We've sent 6-digit code to this to verify your account. So you need to enter your code in order to verify your account. This is the code. 316,789. 316,789. Then click activate my account. Just wait and see. Your government platform, tailor your government experience, complete your profile. So here you need to complete your profile in order to finish registration. So you can enter your first name, let's say Huma. Enter your last name, let's say Hujak. Then your company name, let's say Blood Family. Then job, let's say brand. Job level, let's say manager. Industry, let's say what? Financial services. Then finish registration. Okay, your account has been successfully activated, redirecting to your product. Okay, your government surveys. So is designed for and best used on desktop browser. Close. Okay, invite team. Welcome to Yougov survey. Design your own survey and get quality response in 24 hours or less. Begin by creating your first survey. So katika website hii basi utaweza kutengeneza survey yako na estimated price utakuwa unaandika mwenyewe. Watch our product or video or read this. So if you want to create your survey, you can click that, create your survey, untitled survey, setup, choose audience, build a survey, launch, saves. Okay, you can select this one, create survey. So you need to click here, survey name, target market, enter your name, email, Great Britain, United States, other country. You can select this, choose audience. You can choose your audience here, national representative, build your own audience, that's according to you. If it's national, you can click that, then click OK. Response, you can start question 1, 2, 3, then you can enter your price, then you can click next. So this is how to do this, how to create survey. This platform: Home, Your Government Lite, Your Government Brand Index Lite, Your Government Saves, Your Government Crutch, Your Government Brand, Your Government Profile, all products. Okay, kwa hii ni jinsi ambavyo unaweza ukatengeneza survey yako mwenyewe katika akaunti hii. Okay, katika website hii website itakusaidia wewe kuweza kutengeneza survey yako mwenyewe. Kwa hiyo ni website ambao wanaitumia watu kuweza kutengeneza survey. Okay, na karibu tena katika channel yetu. Usahau kusubscribe, kulike na kucomment kwa channel yetu. Karibu na asante.